Michael, what is that? What is that noise? A woodpecker? And what is he doing for days and days? He's driving us crazy for days? Is it Woody? Or is it a different woodpecker?
Woody?
He makes a lot of noise for a little woodpecker, right?
Yeah.
He wakes everyone up in the morning. What color is he? Can't see him.
Let me go. Oh, see him.
I lost him too.
Gonna see him.
Where'd he go? He left. Did the woodpecker leave? Did we scare him away? No, he's still there. I see him. He's still there. What color is he? Look. Look up. What color is he?
I don't know. I see him now.
He's like blue, right? He's been here for like a week driving everybody crazy.
Yeah.
He wakes...
Little.
He's little, right? He wakes up really early in the morning, Woody. Can't even see him. Oh, I see him now. Where is he? There is.
He's a little woodpecker.
Woody's right there. Making us crazy.
Wait, is he the only woodpecker in this neighborhood?
He came here last week. He's been driving everybody crazy for like a week.
Oh.
They want to get rid of him.
Is he driving Froggy?
Yeah, he wakes Froggy up in the morning. He wakes this one up in the morning.
Them.
Fogo.